Well, before we start this video, let me tell you clearly, I have been using Gillette for 15 years. Mach 3, Fusion 5, Pro Shield, Skin Guard. I have never believed in electric razor. But this one is different. Let's start from unboxing. Yeah, the box looks premium, and inside the box, this one comes with a pretty cool premium quality pouch. Yeah, this one is a 4-in-1 kit. Shaver, nose and ear trimmer, sideburn trimmer, brush. I am surprised to see this one has a USB-C port for charging. I thought this one would come with micro USB, which is a hassle. But no, this one has a USB-C port and a USB-C cable is included in the box. USB port is at the bottom of the shaver, and it is clearly written that this is a IPX7 rated waterproof device, which means you can take this shaver to your shower. You will also get a brush to clean the shaver. First, let me tell you that this product takes about 87 minutes to get fully charged. I mean 0 to 100%. Each full charge offers 60 minutes of usage. However, if you are using the shaver, then you will get 60 minutes. But if you are using the nose trimmer, then you will get around 90 minutes. There is a LED display. You get clear notification of battery status and speed. You can select the speed based on your requirement and preference. There is something special about this shaver that has made me change my mind about electric razors. 360-degree rotation with 3 independent blade heads designed with omnidirectional rotation and angular movement. It sounds a bit crazy, a bit long, but this is what makes the whole shaving experience pretty special. Moreover, it has dual layer blade in all those 3 independent shaving heads. This is amazing, and this offers a hassle-free clean shave. The blades inside this shaver is really very smooth. I know I'm using the word smooth a few too many times, but yes, this is really smooth. And the speeds that I've mentioned earlier is also useful when you are trimming and shaving. For shaving, if you have beard like me, I mean too many and too hard, then you will definitely need that fast speed. And when you are trimming, that normal speed will work very well. The second thing in the box that I like is this cleaning brush. I know I have already used the word smooth a few times. Yes, this one is also smooth and it offers very comfortable feelings on skin. Yes, this one can also be used with that normal and fast mode, but I strongly recommend you to not to use this one with that fast rotation, cause that may lead to a irritating sensation on your skin. Like if it's too dry at the beginning, don't go for that fast mode. Now this one is really very special. Once again, smooth, spatial, these words are getting a bit cliche in this video, but the truth is this one is really very special. Let me tell you, long ago when I first bought a nose trimmer, a very expensive one, my first experience was like my nose was bleeding. I don't know why. My friends could use that one, but I couldn't. It was a scary and at the same time pretty funny experience because most of my friends were laughing at me. So from that moment I have promised to myself that I will never use a nose trimmer because that I felt like that was embarrassing. And when I found that Sukas comes with a nose trimmer inside the box, I was looking at this one and I was thinking, should I use it or not? Because the shaving experience is really premium, really great. And finally I couldn't resist myself from using it. And yeah, it's so comfy. And finally I could manage to forget about that scary experience because this one is so comfy, so spatial. Once again the word spatial is here. Yeah, the final thing in the box is a sideburn trimmer. And I'm sorry, I have never used this sideburn trimmer. I mean, I have never used any sideburn trimmer on my skin and I will never use one. But I have asked my assistant to use this one and the response is great. After he has used this one, he asked me whether he can borrow the whole shaving kit or not. He said that if the sideburn trimmer is working that well, then the shaving experience should be really great. And finally, it's time for a verdict. I really have worked pretty hard to find some negative aspects, but other than that battery life, I really don't have any real negatives at this moment. They have written it clearly that the battery life should be 60 minutes, and I get 60 minutes, but I wish I could get longer than that. And another thing I would say, that if they could have managed to provide this with a stand, like these days many electric toothbrushes comes with a wireless charging stand. So if this one gets a wireless charging stand, then this will be the best for sure. As I have moved from Gillette to this, you can understand how much I like this one and what type of shaving experience you can expect from this. If you have any other questions about this, please don't forget to make a comment and let me know in the comment section below. Okay, before we finish, one more time, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel.